Alright, it's going to be Adobe Photoshop Film Green Effect tutorial. Once you have your image loaded, it's looking a little bit dark, so we're going to go to the image, adjustments, and then brightness and contrast. I want to make this just a little bit brighter and less contrast, so there's not as much. Okay, the next effect here is we're going to go under filter, and we go under to noise, and we'll add some noise. So basically, what this looks like is it just makes it have a little bit of a form. You got Gaussian, can adjust that. You don't want to go too much. You got uniform. I'm going to do Gaussian. I'm going to keep it like that. You have monochromatic. Don't got to. I kind of like that. So we'll click OK. Alright, the next step is you want to go under filter and go to filter gallery. This is where we're going to add the real grain, so it looks pretty cool. Okay, so you want to add an effect called grain right here. If you don't see it, then go under to texture, and then it's right here. So second option, green. Okay, so you can mess around with the intensity. If you move it to the left, it adds less. Move it to the right, it adds more. And then same thing with contrast. I'm going to have it around like 30. I'm actually going to add a little bit of a punch of a contrast. You want to right click on our image, make sure it's still selected, click rasterize. And then personally I'm going to go on to image adjustments and go to desaturate. So the image is desaturated. I'm going to go down under here, click this little circle, click a gradient map, and then click this, and then click the bottom right, and change the color. I'm gonna make it low color red. See, so it makes it look like that. You can click reverse, or dither, but I like this right here. So this is the before, and this is the after. Check out the playlist for more and subscribe to the channel.